Hello, everybody! Are you excited? Yes, you are! So, next Thursday, the 28th of February, I'm doing a comedy tournament at the Moth Club in Hackney. It's called the Honk Show. The Honk Show. The Honk Show. It's for new acts. I'm going to be emceeing it. And basically, it's a tournament, it's a competition, and you, the audience, get to pick the winner of the evening. And if there are any acts you don't like, give them fucking hell. Throw vegetables at them, or pies, pasties, or jack of potatoes. Well, not jack of potatoes, it's going to be quite hard if you... someone threw a jack of potato at me once while I was doing a gig, but hit the back wall, so I sort of dodged it. Anyway, come to the Honk Show at the Moth Club in Hackney this February, the 28th, Thursday, 28th of February. We have loads of new acts on. Matt C, Tara Newton-Wordsworth, Michael McKeown, Jan Smarmagia, Horatio Gould, Patrick Brushnania, Archie Henderson, Jason Albertino, Joe Hobbs, at last, some of them were normal, Pete Nash, William Stone, Toussaint Douglas, Wolfram Gladiator, Michael Butterworth, I know she's running, and Louise Bastock. Come, give 'em hell. Or, damn, I didn't know what to say at the end of the video. I've had a cold for 8 weeks. Just buying a capper for the pipe. Now I don't know how to turn it off.